when do you know when Hashem, for example, with the snake, right, in Parshas Bereshis, over there, what was the punishment? Because the snake got to eat basically everything, right? I'll eat this, I'll eat that. So his punishment was, I heard from I think another rabbi heard from Reb Shmuel Kamnetsky that because Hashem told him, I don't have anything to do with you now, listen, leave me alone. Basically, that's the whole idea, right? So, and so now he's not going to daven for food to Hashem, he's not going to do such mitzvahs and so on and so forth. So when is it that it's the Yetzer Hara and Hashem wants a bigger test so that you get more schus? And when is it that Hashem says, listen, your mitzvah to me, you did enough already. Let's get away. Because I know that for Tikkun Brit, right? If you don't do it, I'm pretty sure it's the Zohar that states you're not allowed to talk to Hashem until you do tshuva.
Okay. So what is the bottom line question, please? So what does it mean?
No, the bottom line question is, when does Hashem, when is it a test from Hashem because he wants to give you more schus? And when is it that Hashem is angry at you and doesn't even want you to perform his mitzvahs? Like it's...
okay, he always won't want you to perform the mitzvahs. That's why he put you in this world, to do the mitzvahs. And the biggest reward in this world, and actually, Baruch Hashem, we finished today with my morning class, we finished this last session. So it took us maybe a year, maybe 2 years, or maybe 1.5 years. I don't remember when we started. Then I think 2 years. 2 years to finish that book with all of the commentaries after that. Unbelievable. All right, so that's how Mizrachi Shiurim starts. So what is the purpose? What is the biggest ultimate reward, the biggest ultimate pleasure of the person in this world? To be close to Hashem, to be attached to Hashem. Period. Right? So and now, 1 second. Let me close the window. I mean, okay. So it is always like Hashem wants you to bring to that up to the next step. So it could go 2 ways. You can challenge yourself, and you can create yourself like challenges, right? Hard things, like for example, to wake up in 4 a.m., 5:30 a.m., right? 2.5 hours before you usually wake up. So and your body is ache, and you're sleepy, and your eyes hurt and stuff like that. So here's a challenge that it challenge yourself. You didn't need Yetzer Hara to push you to any direction. That's you created your own challenges. You understand? And these challenges and this thing that you want to sleep, you want to this, you want to that. So it's actually it's considered to be suffering, and this suffering is Hashem takes from your awareness basically. So suffering does not have to be bad, like a person is sick in a tube like sticking out of his nose. No. This is also suffering. It's a big suffering when you want to sleep and you woke up to learn Torah, or some like one piece. I just finished. We just finished my Mishnah Brura class. Like one siyum that it took like 3 days. I mean, the short class, maybe 20 minutes class, but it took 3 days. Like go over and over and over the same thing. Try to figure out, break your head. So sweat, be frustration. And it's also suffering. You understand? So I mean, but punishment for the sin is another sin. That's how a person goes down. Okay, let's continue. Okay, let's. I want to continue. Go ahead.
Okay.
I mean, is it related to halachas?
It's related to what you just said. That's
okay. Go ahead. To relate to what I said.
Okay, what's it called? But didn't you tell me that when you study Torah, and it's hard sorted and so forth, and it doesn't count as suffering? You told me it doesn't take off from your Gehenna.
No. It does. All of this for you, it's suffering. You do not understand. You're very frustrated. You woke up this 2 hours early, and still it's not like you thought I'm such a tzaddik. I woke up 2 hours early, and everything is going to be easy. No, who said it's going to be easy? Who said? And like very last chapter of this Mizrachi Yeshirim. He said that it was commentary on the commentary. So basically, he said, "Who told you that this person came to the Rabbi, right?" And he said, "Rabbi, what I pray, or I mean, they pray together, right? So this person was praying, Hashem, send me parnasa, like in the beginning of the week, so I have the peace of mind. I can learn the rest of the week with a peace of mind." You understand? And he did not ask much, just a peace of mind. And this rabbi said, like, who told you that that's what Hashem wants to learn in a nice and quiet air condition? No? Who said? Maybe he wants you in under the pressure, but still learn. You understand? So it's not like always Hashem is looking for ideal situation. No, he wants you to. He wants us to serve under all of the circumstances. That's it.
Understood.